Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager with Toshiba Canada. Today, I'd like to demonstrate to you an astonishing new feature called eConnect Translate. It is the ability from a photocopier to scan in paper documents in one language and translate them into a different language and print out those translated documents. I'm going to share a screen and we'll start right away. So what we're looking at here is a virtual network connection between the copier behind me right here, it's LCD panel, and my computer screen. So I'm going to scroll over to a new app, as I just described, called eConnect Translate or Translate by Google. Click on this. I'm using PIN code authentication. I have to type in my PIN code. And here it is loading up. So in Canada, we have two official languages, English and French. And I'm going to scan in this paper document. It's just a couple text to words. It's not, you can see it there for yourself. I'm going to put this in the document feeder. And press next. The top 5 languages in Canada are actually French, Chinese simplified, Chinese traditional, Punjabi, and Spanish. But today we're going to scan in French. So the document is now being scanned in, and there it is right there. I can make that a bit bigger, have a look at it. But right now I wanted to translate it. So I would mention that eConnect Translate is a free app. However, you must purchase the optional OCR enabler kit to make this work. So there's the translated document there. Make that a bit bigger. There it is. And I'm going to print it out. So the copier is now printing the translated document. So I grab that in a second here. And here is the translated document. So just to make it easier to understand what's happening here, this is the English text that I scanned in. And this is the translated document. I actually scanned this document printed this document, then scanned it using the docx capability of the OCR feature. Back in French, you can see it's now a fully editable Word document. And I'm going to review it, search it using a French dictionary, and we'll see what happens here. And here we are with a French, started with an English document, and now it's a French document. I find this amazing. I hope you do as well. So I'm not suggesting that eConnect Translate is as good as a human translator, not by any means. They have skills far greater than any machine can produce for you, but for a lot of customers and a lot of situations, it's not hard to imagine this new app could be a great feature that you can add at any time to your copier. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years later into a copier lease. No problem, we can add it at any time. One other suggestion I got from the field is that because translations are not always perfect, you could print the English original and the converted document, translated document, and give it to the recipient so they have both documents to review and understand what you're trying to say. I have some customers that they have what are called diversity programs where they must hire minorities, and they would see this as a great feature to help work with these minority people whose native language is not necessarily your native language. And also maybe people who, in this case, who speak in French. I'm just going to, and the translation could go the other way. Maybe the English, the original document is a French document, and you want to translate it into an English document. So there's certainly lots of great applications that you could use this app with. So as you can see, this is my contact information. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to help. But I hope you found eConnect Translate a fairly astonishing and intriguing new feature we can have on our photocopiers. Toshiba photocopiers, you can add at any time. And have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.